This isn't some prop from a sci-fi movie. It's a living cluster of human brain cells, grown in a lab. And it just learned how to play a video game faster than a state-of-the-art AI. As of today, the line between machine and biology has officially vanished. We've stopped trying to mimic the brain with silicon, and we've started using the real thing. This is Organoid Intelligence, or OI. And it's about to make your current computer look like a stone tool. For decades, we've relied on silicon chips, but they're hitting a wall. The sheer energy needed to run modern AI is staggering. But a human brain, it runs on about 20 watts of power, barely enough to light up a dim light bulb. The difference is almost unbelievable. This realization sparked a revolutionary idea. What if we stop imitating the brain and just use it? That's where wetware comes in. By fusing living human neurons onto microchips, we've created a hybrid computer. These chips don't just process data, they grow. So, how does this actually work? The magic lies in something called a multi-electrode array. Scientists take stem cells, the body's master cells, and guide them to become brain cells. These neurons then self-organize into a complex, three-dimensional structure called a brain organoid. It's a mini-brain, about the size of a pinhead. This is where it gets really interesting. Because these neurons have been shaped by billions of years of evolution to learn and survive, they approach problems differently than a traditional AI. In a recent experiment, a brain organoid learned to play the classic game, Pong. It received a zap of electricity when it missed the ball and silence when it hit it. Within minutes, it was playing proficiently. An AI would need thousands of rounds to achieve the same result. But here is where the science takes a sharp turn into the unknown. A research team detected something they weren't even looking for. While monitoring an active organoid, they recorded electrical patterns that looked remarkably like human sleep waves. These living processes are showing signs of rest cycles, a biological necessity for consolidating memories and high-level learning. This raises a question that scientists are scrambling to answer. If your computer is made of human neurons, and those neurons are sleeping, does that mean your computer is dreaming? The human brain has nearly 100 billion. What happens when we scale them up? If we build a biocomputer with billions of neurons, are we just building a faster processor? Or are we building a consciousness? At what point does a complex network of living cells stop being a tool and start being a being? Right now, lawmakers are urgently debating the 2026 Bioethics Act, trying to create rules for a future that is arriving faster than anyone predicted. We are no longer just the users of the machine. We are becoming the machine. The boundary between our tools and ourselves is dissolving. If you want to stay ahead of the future, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.